Hey, what's going on again, world? Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Solo New York Metro Universal tablet case, and this one I got it at the Office Depot, and I got this for my Galaxy Tab A, so I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing it today. And today's review is totally different. This is not a knife review like I always do, so this is a totally different review today. So this is what I'm going to do a good review on. And y'all know this by now, this is your typical accessory. So I got this for my Galaxy Tab A here. Also, it's brand new, so I just got it in. So Office Depot, that's where I got it. So I got this for over $30. And I just got it in just now. Got it in just a while ago. Right there. Okay, so to unbox it, just take it out right here. And the best thing, I got it in the store rather than getting it online. That's the best thing. I don't have to wait a whole week. Okay, just take it out like this, and there you have it. And you all know this by now. You already know the features of this. This is your typical protective case and accessory. So this is what I got today, and different review today. Okay, to open it, you already know, it's magnetic. Right there. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, let's show you a good close-up of this. Yeah, you call this the Solo New York Metro Universal tablet case. So yeah, I got this at Office Depot. Yes, it's brand new. Right there, you just hook it on right there. Yes, I'll show you my Tab A in a bit, but let's just show you a good close-up of this and show you what I got again in a different review. We're also going to place it in too. I'll show you how it fits. And yes, your usual protective case and typical accessory. You know how that works already. So I got this at Office Depot for over $30. That's how much I got it for. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Okay, let me show you my Galaxy Tab A here. That's what I got it for. So here's my Galaxy Tab A. That's what I got it for. And yes, this is the Galaxy Tab A 8-inch. And this one, if you want to know where I got it at Best Buy. And I've been using this extensively for a year and a half, and it's in great shape and one of the best tabs I ever had. I got this for over $160. Definitely worth getting. Yes, the best tab I ever had, and works flawlessly. Never had a problem with it. Okay, now let's get a good angle here and let's show you how it fits. Okay, hold on. Right there. Okay, so it's very easy. All you do is just hook it on right here. Okay, hold on. Okay, make sure you can see very well. Right there, you just put it right there. Like that. Hook it on right there. It's very easy. And there you go. That's it. No problem. Very simple. And yes, it fits. So this is the Tab A 8-inch. That's what it's for. That's what I got it for. I got another awesome protective case here. And yes, your usual accessory and protective case, and yeah, your usual outings and EDC. That's what it's meant for. And the one thing you don't want to do is end up dropping it. It's very regretful. It's always good to have something like this. So yes, this is what I got today. Yes, it's brand new. I just got it in the store rather than online. Got it right away. So there you go. Also, I'll tell you the downside to it. Hold on, let me just show you how it looks like and how it fits. Yeah, it fits good. There you go, magnetic. Opens like that. You can work a lot, much better. And your usual stance. There you go. It goes like that. You know how that works already. Here we go. Let's show you how it looks like. And yeah, you already know how this goes now. There you go. Your usual stance and your usual features. You know how it works already. Yes, I got this for my Tab A here. One of the best tabs I had. So it looks like that when you're doing the work. Okay, hold on. Close it. And there you have it, no problem. Okay, so now the downside to it, right here, it does not have a camera hole. So that's the only downside to this. It does not have a camera hole, so you won't be able to take any pictures. But no big deal. You can always take it out of the case here. And yes, they do have other tablet cases, so no problem. I can get another. It's not a big problem. But yes, if you're gonna get this, so one thing you need to be aware of right there, it does not have a camera hole. So if you're gonna get the Solo tablet case, it does not have a camera hole. So so that's one thing you need to be aware of. It does not have a camera hole, but overall, great protective case. And when you're out and about and your EDC, your usual. But overall, I'm satisfied with my purchase again. I got a great protective case here when I'm out and about in the usual EDC. So yes, I have the Galaxy Tab A here. That's what I bought it for. So for those of you who has a Tab A, this is a great way to do it. And there's other tablet cases out there. It's no problem. You can get any kind of accessory. But this is what I got. Okay. So yes, the only downside to it does not have a camera hole. But no problem. I can always take it out of the case and put it back. It's not a big deal. And I don't always take pictures all the time. I have to be honest. I don't take pictures very often. So there you go. So let me show you one more time. And there you go. It holds in place, no problem. Fits good. Yes, this will fit any Galaxy Tab A. If you have a Tab A, this is a great way to put it in. So yeah, this is what I got from Office Depot today. Okay, and let me show you the Tab A works flawlessly. Let me show you. Just tap the screen like this. There you go. No problem. Okay, like this. Just tap the screen, and there you go. You're good to go. Yes, it's in great shape. No flaws. No problems with my Tab A here. I've been using it extensively for a year and a half, and it's never gone down. Never broke down. It's in great shape and definitely worth getting. So yes, there you go. So if you want to get this, go right ahead. But just keep in mind, it doesn't. Right there, let me show you. So one thing you need to be aware of: it does not have a camera hole. So if you're gonna get this, it does not have a camera hole. So if you have one of these, just take it out if you're gonna take pictures. But overall, great protective case. Your usual accessory. That's what it is. That's what it's meant for. Okay, let's show you again one more time. Okay, show you a good close-up of this, and there we go. No problem. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Okay, just tap the screen. There you go. No, works absolutely flawless. I never had any problems with it at all. There you go. No complaints. Yeah, it works like that. Okay, so and there you have it. I gave you a good eye glimpse and unboxing review on the Solo New York Metro Universal tablet case that I got at Office Depot. This is a different review. This is not like a knife review like I always do. This is a different review today. Okay, so there you have it. And no complaints at all, other than the camera hole being covered. I'm satisfied with my purchase. Got this for over $30 at Office Depot. And your typical accessory, you all know how that works. Okay, so there you have it. So if you come across this, let me know what you think. Feel free to subscribe if you like the video any way you want. Drop a comment, and also check out my channel. I got a lot of reviews, so please do that. Check out my channel for my other reviews, and thank you for watching.